Hello and welcome to the Coach's Corner, presented by the Alamo City Sports Network. I'm Coach Bob Herb, and today we've got a special guest who represents exactly what high school athletics is supposed to be about. He's the head baseball coach at Harlandale High School. A program is off to a hot start this season. But what's even more impressive is the culture behind those wins. In 2025, he was named the XL Teacher of the Year for Harlandale ISD. And if you spend 5 minutes around him, you understand why. He brings energy, he brings humor, and most importantly, he brings a presence that makes young men feel valued, seen, and confident. He's building more than a baseball team. He's building relationships, leadership, and young men who are prepared for life beyond the diamond. Coach Alex Olivares, welcome to the show. All right, Coach Olivares, welcome to the show. Our first question for you. Take us back to the beginning. What first got you into baseball, and when did you know coaching was something you wanted to pursue?
Well, first coming to baseball was T-ball. I remember the first game I ever played was a catcher as a T-ball. Going way back, I was 4 years old. I don't know why that memory sticks with me, but that was my first love was baseball, and going to a Nationals game in 1997 to see Randy Johnson and Brad Ausmus and Craig Biggio, that team. And I just fell in love with it even more. And just growing up, baseball was just baseball, baseball, baseball. And that's what I wanted to do. And then throughout, high school, obviously playing baseball. Then took a break in college, but I still went to the college baseball games. I still love the game. And, got me into coaching, and moving on to that is just a love of baseball, just trying to do something to help the team. Because I wasn't hired as a coach first. I was just a straight teacher. Then I asked one day, had the courage to go up to Coach Forrester. He was the head baseball coach at the time, and just asked him, and he brought me on, and here we are.
All right, perfect. So now, who were some of your mentors or coaches along the way that kind of shaped your leadership style? You mentioned Coach Forrester.
Right. So that was a big influence in my life. When I got into coaching, I was on a volunteer basis. I wasn't getting paid for the first 7 years. And through that dedication, through that service and time with him, he was able to trust me and teach me a lot. And he had a lot of wealth of baseball knowledge. And another mentor was his assistant coach, and eventual head coach, Oscar Valenzuela. He also had decades of baseball experience. And then even going back further than that, in my high school time with Coach Polo Boteo, he also had a lot of wealth of knowledge of baseball. So those three coaches, those three men, helped shape who I am today, because they taught me things. They taught me how to be a teacher. They taught me how to be a coach. They taught me a lot of baseball. And so those guys, I incorporate a lot of what they instilled in me into the team we have, or at least I try to. That's my goal.
Awesome. Those are three great men. All right, you mentioned Oscar, and when he retired, you stepped in then. Right. How did you know you were ready, or this was the time to do it?
So I honestly felt like I wasn't ready or worthy, but just keep on thinking about it. Then I remember I'll forget who it was, but somebody told me never let opportunities go by. And I felt this was an opportunity, and I felt like I would probably regret it later if I didn't try, if I didn't put an effort in. So that was my thinking, just to give it a shot, see what happens. And that's how it happened. I was fortunate enough to be named the head coach, and I'm still learning. I got a lot to learn and, just keep on moving forward. But it was just an opportunity that I felt I couldn't pass by, even though I felt I wasn't ready or worthy. Something in me said, don't let it go by. Try, and then things happen.
Perfect. In 2025, you were named the XL Teacher of the Year for Harlandale ISD. So what did that recognition mean to you?
It meant a lot. It was a great honor, just to be recognized, just to have that recognition and just representing the community. That's how I felt. It's a little more like a community for the kids. It helped me realize that people appreciate what I was doing and what I'm continuing to do. And that's my focus. I'm here for the kids. I'm here for the community. I've been here and lived here all my life, and I just want to help us grow and continue to grow. And that award felt like a vindication of that hard work. And really, it was all the kids. The kids make it happen. And, I'm really proud of them. I'm really proud of the community. I'm really proud of the school.
All right. That being said, as the XL Teacher of the Year, what do you see as the connection between being a great teacher and a coach?
They're one and the same. being a great teacher helps me be a better coach, and being a coach helps me become a better teacher. It's about building relationships. It's about teaching things and explaining things, baseball things and classroom things. Kids learn a certain way, and we have to be able to explain it to them in ways that they can understand. And both of those teach me different ways and different approaches on how to do that.
So you're known for your sense of humor and ability to put kids at ease. So where did that approach come from?
Just years of practice in the classroom, and then taking that out there to the baseball field as an assistant in the dugout. It's about building trust. Mm-hmm. If kids trust you, they'll do anything for you. They'll talk to you. They'll listen to you. They'll respond to you. So that's where the humor comes into. The kids feel at ease, and they feel like they're being listened to, and they feel like you're there for them. They're gonna do, what you ask them to do, and they're gonna do their best, because if they trust you, you trust them. It's just a great way to build a relationship and build success.
Perfect. So now knowing that, students and kids athletes out on the field now, what do they need the most in 2026? Is it the discipline, structure, confidence, fun? What is it?
It's a lot. It's a combination of all of that. Mm-hmm. Discipline is a big emphasis in our high school program. Based on effort, discipline, class, all those things is discipline, because there's a lot of things out there in the world right now that get us off topic and get us off task. And so if we can bring it down to focus and stay disciplined, even discipline at the plate. This past weekend we were not undisciplined at the plate, but just trying to bring that focus back. And the kids understand that when they get off task and get off topic, things get silly. But it's about bringing the focus and keeping that focus on, because there's a lot of distractions out there.
Okay, so next we're going to move on to how do you intentionally kind of build team chemistry when you're out there?
It's just trying to keep it loose, trying to keep it fun. Players play different when they're tight.
Yeah.
But when they feel relaxed and they're focused, everything comes together. They start to communicate a lot better. They understand where they need to be and what they need to do. So it's about trying to get them to play free and try to get them mentally prepared for any situation. But main thing is let them play free, let them play loose. Like Coach Forcier had a thing: look good, feel good, play good.
All right. Okay, last question for you. Beyond the wins and losses, how do you define success for your program?
It's really what they become after baseball. Or, we try to instill skills and life lessons and approaches to different things and adversity and how they react to adversity. If they're able to respond well to those things, if they're able to become graduates of high school and then moving on to a career and take those lessons with them and become successful, in the workplace or at school and college or what have you, that's how you define success, is what they become once they leave us.
Awesome. All right, Coach. Last thing here is a little game we like to play with everybody we interview. All right, there's 6 pictures on that iPad right there that represent 6 different MLB teams. All right, you have 1 minute to try to get them all. The best time so far was the Brendan Girls basketball coach, Jackie Contreras. She got hers in 37 seconds. All right, so when I say go, you'll turn it, and you just start rattling off who you think they are, the pictures that represent MLB teams.
Okay,
ready? Go.
Got the Giants.
Yes.
Got the Red Sox.
Yes.
The Orioles. We got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. We got the Pittsburgh Pirates.
Not the Orioles. So yes, Pirates.
Texas Rangers.
Yes. You got the bottom 2.
Drawing a blank on. The Detroit Tigers.
Yes.
And
that soup. What is that?
Soup.
What kind of soup is that?
Looks like Chef Boyardee.
No, there may be you make them words out of them.
I am drawing a blank.
How much time we got? You got 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
I have no clue.
One guess. Think of abbreviations, letters. Time's up. That was good though.
The red in there.
Thank you, Coach Alex Olivares, head baseball coach at Harlandale High School. Congratulations on the early success and for being named Excel Teacher of the Year in 2025. That says a lot about who you are and what you represent. We'll be watching the Indians closely this season. Thank you for joining us, and to everyone watching, support your local programs, pour into young people, and remember, athletics done right changes lives. We'll see you next time.